Hello, and welcome to another session with QTrain. In today's lesson, we want to review the template that will be used for Data Talk presentations for special ed teachers. Again, I want to reiterate that this is the PowerPoint template that will be used for Data Talks for special ed teachers. Okay, our second slide goes, our second slide and our third slide basically goes over the entire purpose of the data talk. When you're presenting your data talk, there is no need for you to cover slide 2 and slide 3. There is no need. For training purposes, I will explain and express why we present data talks. The purpose of the data talk is to monitor the following: the implementation of the instructional cycle, to monitor that teachers are teaching the standards based on the Georgia Standards of Excellence, to ensure that students are being assessed based on assessed for content mastery. Are students making progress in their IEP goals? Is the teacher analyzing data to measure student growth and to inform instruction? Is the teacher reteaching specific skills based on assessment data? Is the teacher effectively communicating student progress to both students and parents? That is the goal, the purpose of the data talk. Okay, we mentioned in the first bullet point to monitor the implementation of the instructional cycle. Well, what is the instructional cycle? Well, on phase 1 of the instructional cycle, teachers are to unpack standards. After unpacking standards basically means that we are to get a good understanding of what students are supposed to know, understand, and be able to do. At the level of rigor, they're expected to know, understand, and be able to do it. Then we actually go through the process of teaching the standards, preparing lessons and teaching the standards. We teach so far into the unit, and then at the natural pause of the unit, we administer a common assessment. That's just to determine whether or not the students are understanding. Typically, a quiz is given before a test. Well, in like manner, a common assessment is given before a post-assessment or a benchmark. Okay, after we administer that assessment, we always review results. Anytime you assess students, the assessment should cover is designed to measure a mastery of a standard. Anytime you give an assessment to measure the understanding of a standard, you should review and analyze the results. After analyzing results, the teacher will move forward with the teaching of the standard, but at the same time, the teacher will move forward with the teaching of the unit, but at the same time, the teacher will also continue to reteach standards that were not understood. After the teacher completes the unit, she will give either we use this word synonymously, post-assessment benchmark. The word is interchangeable, okay? So they'll, at the end of the unit, administer a post-assessment. And then after the post-assessment, remember, anytime we give an assessment, we analyze the data to see exactly what they understood and was able to do. After we analyze the results, we go through a process where we continue to teach those students the things that they did not understand. We conduct student data talks. Okay, and now we're at the process of what teachers are doing right now, which is presenting teacher data talks. So the teacher will pretty much give an overview to a panel of instructor or educators exactly how their students perform and the different creative things that you did to assist the students in understanding the standards that you taught. This is also a time for the teachers to actually hear what other teachers are doing in hopes that new ideas may be gained.